Have you ever wondered why we can't live without our smartphones? They've transformed our lives completely. It all began with simple calls and texts, but the mobile revolution quickly changed everything we knew. Inside that slim glass device is more processing power than the computers used for the moon landing. We have smartphones to stay connected instantly through video calls and social feeds, no matter the distance. Gone are the days of paper maps. Our phones guide us through every street in the world. We carry a professional-grade camera in our pockets, capturing every precious memory with just a single tap. The entirety of human knowledge is just a search away, putting a global library in your hand. Smartphones provide endless entertainment, allowing us to stream movies and shows from anywhere on the planet. Music follows us everywhere, with millions of songs available at any moment through streaming apps. They turn any coffee shop into an office, letting us manage emails and documents on the go. Banking is now instant. We pay for groceries and transfer money without ever stepping into a bank. Mobile gaming has brought high-quality experiences to billions, making gaming more accessible than ever before. Our phones act as personal trainers, tracking our steps, heart rate, and overall health throughout the day. Podcasts and audiobooks keep us informed and entertained while we commute or exercise every single day. Smartphones are the remote controls for our lives, managing lights, thermostats, and security systems with ease. They empower a new generation of creators to film, edit, and share their stories with the world. We receive breaking news as it happens, keeping us informed about global events in real time. Social networks allow us to find communities and share our lives with people who share our passions. Artificial intelligence in our phones learns our habits, helping us stay organized and predicting our needs. Language barriers are vanishing as smartphones provide instant translation for travelers exploring new and distant lands. Accessibility features help people with disabilities navigate the world, providing eyes and ears through clever software. Ultimately, we have smartphones because they are the ultimate tool for connection, knowledge, and modern living.